Candida here, and I love the RUSK Deepshine Color Shampoo. This shampoo is sulfate-free, and so I've been dyeing my hair for several years now, and I don't have to worry about this shampoo stripping the color out of my hair. It is color safe, and so that's huge for me because we all know that coloring our hair isn't cheap, and so I want to get as much out of my hair color as I can. This shampoo also lathers really well, so it really feels like it goes in, it does a nice good clean on my hair, and my hair is still soft and manageable. I don't have to worry about my hair feeling brittle or coarse. I personally don't like how that feels, and so I love the fact that my hair is soft and manageable. I also like the fact that it has the pump top, so that way I can squirt it in when I'm ready. I can just squirt some in my hand, and I know exactly. And here you can see it's a nice clear color. It's kind of like a gel consistency, and so it lathers really well. I've been using this for several months now, and it's done really well. My color stays, and my hair is soft and manageable, so for me, that is a win. And my hair also isn't frizzy. It does have frizz control in it. That's huge because I don't always want to style my hair every day, but I don't want it frizzy either. So I hope you found the review helpful.